big girl is not liking the winter. This tubing that I put in is low quality and is not having fun with the cold weather. So today, we're just going to be on the Mini. Hopefully that's okay with you boys and girls.
What is going on, nieces and nephews? It is middle of December here and we've got a 60-degree day, so we are outside. Sorry for the lack thereof uploads recently. It's been cold. We've gotten out a couple times, still staying outside. However, a big lot day like this, something worth recording, hasn't happened in a couple of weeks. So we're here now. We're gonna give you a little bit of content. I'm really trying to learn double back peg circles today. Last night, me and one of the boys went out to a little local spot and practiced. I got a couple of them down. I can get some like half circles, some 3/4, but we're really trying to get a full 3 or 4 circles around and double back pegger. Really working on that handbrake stuff. I got some tips that some of the guys have given me, so we're gonna try to execute some of those and I'll share them with you as we see fit. So enjoy the content. Double back pegger, nice and slow. That's pretty good. That one was scary. That's probably my best, not my best one, but that was a good one. I'm trying.
If you pull it in, you got it.
I know. Every now and again I'll get it and I'll be pulled in and then it starts to go and then I just instantly go, ah!
I know, I've been watching you.
I should not be sweating this bad in the middle of December. See, that's what makes the difference, boys. Everybody quit already. I'm still out here. Still out here grinding. God. That was good. Why would we go this way? We've never gone this way. I just got dirt tires, gotta put my damn visor down. Otherwise he's gonna kick my head. What a dick. Oh, sorry. Right into the pond, that would suck. Do some dirt wheelies. Oh, lordy. This is some deep sand. Oh, it's deep. Damn. Oh, we f***ed up. That sand is deep. Damn. She got thrown. That was so much deeper than I thought. I got hucked. Oh, I got sand everywhere. All right, let's stay up this time, huh? That's the same spot I went down, coming back. This is the deepest I've seen this sand ever. I've never been hucked like this so bad on the minis back there. hope you all enjoyed. Once again, I neglected to make an outro, so like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and if there's anything that I can do better, please let me know. Deuces.
Subscribe to my channel.